3 processes that you can use after this VK dissociation. Now, think about the struggle in your life. Then, close your eyes. Imagine it. Make it black and white. Then after that, remove the sounds. No? I-dim mo yung kulay. Step out of that picture. Nakikita mo dapat yung sarili mo sa picture na yun. Then, shrink it so small. Then, push it so far. No? Parang dot na lang siya. Then, buka mo yung mata mo. Then, just like that. Right? Ano yung kinain mo? Then, the next is anchoring. No, you anchor the positive emotions para magamit mo siya anytime, anywhere. Again, close your eyes. Imagine a time that you were totally confident. No, imagine one specific time in your life. Go back to the time now, float down to your body, see what you saw, hear what you heard, really feel the feelings of being totally confident in your life. Diba nafe-feel mo yung confidence? What if just by pinching your finger, you remember all of those? Not only confidence, happiness, laughing out loud, love, powerful, strength. What if kaya mong ilagay siya sa finger mo? Then after that, anytime na kailangan mo, you just press your fingers, then mafe-feel mo lahat yun. Ano kaya mangyayari sa buhay mo? And third is reframes. Using reframes, using language to change your perspective and to change what you feel in your current situation right now, di ba? Ano yung positive learnings that you will get in a struggle? And all those things, di ba? Dati, I feel that parang every time I struggle ako, akala ko parang, parang doomed na ako, parang ang malas-malas ng buhay ko. But when I learned reframe, I knew how to approach struggles in my life. That everything pala was meant to help me become better. That's why I'm telling you this because sobrang powerful, sobrang practical, and you deserve to know this. And you deserve to be equipped so that you can easily reach your goals faster. And I'm here to support you. I want you to achieve the life that you want because hindi pa huli ang lahat. If I was able to transform my life, my students were able to transform. Ano yung pumipigil sa'yo from transforming your life? What's your excuse?